a jack stand, torque wrench, and this is Sal's favorite tool, the no cry. I actually really like it too. This is the sequence that we use to rotate our tires. So how it is we go from the driver's side first, the front, the driver's side, then we'll rotate it to the back of the driver's side, and then from there we'll rotate it to the passenger front side, and we'll move it all the way to the back of the passenger side, then lastly rotate it to the front driver's side. So the first thing we're going to be doing is loosening up the lug nuts. Most people have a 19mm lug nut, but for us we have a 17 one, so that's what I have here. Important thing to do is make sure that it's actually all the way in there. You don't want it to be loose. If you do have this, the impact gun, this is what we would use to loosen up the lug nuts. Using a breaker bar, you can only use it if the car is on the ground and not on jacks. And with the impact gun, you could use it when the car is in the air. So when you jack up the car, you have to make sure the jack is on this. So you gotta put this jack stand underneath this metal thing right here. Now I gotta lower the jack slowly. Double check if it's actually on it. Now I'm going to be removing both wheels by using an impact gun. So I'm rolling the tire that was in the front, and I'm rotating it here, the back. To tighten up the lug nuts, you need to do a star pattern. So go here, 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 here. So now I'm gonna lower down this jack. Now we're gonna be jacking up the passenger side. I'm just lifting enough so that the wheel is off the ground. Wheel, it came from the driver's side, the rear. So I'm gonna be lowering this side of the car. Now I'm gonna go to the rear. I'm gonna jack up the rear, take out that wheel, and put the wheel over there on this side. this side. Yeah. So now we're gonna be torquing the lug nuts, and you're gonna torque it with 80 pounds of torque, and you're gonna be doing it at a star pattern again, so like right here, and you're gonna be doing that for all 4 tires, and you're gonna do it until you hear like a clicking sound. That was how we rotated our tires today, and I hope you guys liked that I featured in it. I had a great time rotating these tires with Sal. Good practice. If you haven't already, please follow us on our Instagram, LEFTime. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Yeah.